Alright, I'm back with Chompy the Clown. This is an old clown costume. I just revised it a little bit just now, but here is the voice changer that I used with it. I did take off the original cover and put my own custom piece there, which is a chapstick lid. Then I decided to go ahead and make some pop-out eyes on some glasses here. And all I did was take a bobber, cut it in half, and drill the ends out, and then I went and hot glued it on there. Right now I'm just adding just a tiny bit to seal up some edges that I see, and then I'm going to go paint it. So I ended up adding the eyes to this wig here that I had pre-painted, and then I put the goggles on top and painted them as well at the same time. This way I could get the same blood spatter pattern on there. But it turned out pretty good, and I also went and used some black paint on the wig as well. Now I didn't get too much on the back, but it turned out pretty good and I like it. Now this mouthpiece was from my previous video, and I'm just going to go revamp this, repaint it, and put on a classic clown nose to it. Now the reason why I added this nose is because when you squeeze it, it squeaks, okay? And then with that I also had to hot glue the microphone in the back of the mouthpiece at the top. Now of course I had to show you the shoes, and this, you'll see part of the pants there as well, and it just took some black spray paint and then also splattering some red spray paint on the top as well. Well, I hope you like this. I do want to give you the cheese alert. And here's what it would look like in action. And I'm quite happy with the results that turned out. All the pieces seem to stay pretty well to the face and move together in unison the way it should, but nothing really like slipped off, fell off, or felt like it was coming off. It stayed on, which was just really awesome. Yes, the face mask stayed rather well because of the elastic band and fishing line that's on there. And then of course the wig part just stays on itself. The goggles actually press into the back of the nose a little bit, so that keeps them in place as well. I could wear this for hours, no problem. So that's another reason why I like this nose, because of the classic look, but then also when you squeeze it, it squeaks, so you don't be so scared. So it's great. You can be a regular clown, you can be a crazy clown, you can be intimidating or not so intimidating. So you're probably wondering about that voice changer. Well, I'll let you listen to it here. Well, I hope you like what you've seen, and good luck on your next clown project as well. Have a good one. Thank you.